Hello everyone, in today's video we will be learning how to crochet a baby blanket for beginners. The pattern I'm using a peach color yarn and a cream color yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. So we'll start with the peach color, and to begin the pattern we will be doing a slip knot, and then we will be doing chains in the multiple of 2. So I'm going to do around 16 chain, and then we'll do a +1. So it's 1, 2, so I've done around 16 chain and I'll do one more. So that's the foundation. So now we will begin the row 1. So we will do a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and then we'll continue doing a single crochet in the rest of the chain. So you keep doing a single crochet till you reach the end of the row. So we've reached almost the end of the row. So we've done the last single crochet. So we've done single crochet in the entire row, and then we'll chain 1, and then we'll turn and start the second row. So now we will begin the next row, which is the row 2. So we'll skip the first single crochet, and then we'll go in the next single crochet and do a single crochet, and in the same we'll do a double crochet. And then again we'll skip the next single crochet and then go in the other stitch and do a single crochet and then do a double crochet. So you'll keep repeating this pattern till you reach the end of the row. So skip the next single crochet, go into the next, do a single crochet, and then do another double crochet in the same stitch, and then again skip and then do a single crochet and then do a double crochet. So in each stitch we are doing single crochet and double crochet, and then we're skipping stitches in the next one. So we are doing single crochet and double crochet in one stitch and skipping the next one. So that's a single crochet, double crochet, skipping that, single crochet, double crochet, again skipping, and then doing a single crochet, and we'll continue doing that till we reach the end of the row. So we did the last stitch, and now we will chain 1 and turn and then go to row 3. So now we will start the row 3. So what we will do in this row is basically we'll find the double crochet and then do a single crochet and double crochet in that stitch. So which is kind of the same, you will skip any of the single crochet. So I'm skipping the single crochet and we'll go and find a double crochet and then undo a single crochet and double crochet in the same stitch. If you can see, again I will locate the double crochet and do a single crochet and a double crochet. So basically you'll be skipping every single crochet. So again I'll go this, find the double crochet and do a single crochet and do a double crochet. This way you'll continue doing this and finish the entire row. So now before ending the last round, I will go and do a single crochet in the last stitch and also introduce the cream yarn. So before you finish it, you just introduce the yarn, and then so now we will be doing the same. We will repeat the row 3 for all the next rows that we will be doing. So I'll start the row 4 and show you. So now we will be starting the row 4, so which is also again a repeat of the row 3. So we again will find the double crochet and do a single crochet and a double crochet. So do that, and then we'll skip it and again find another double crochet and do a single crochet, and we'll do a double crochet. Then again skip the single crochet and find the double crochet and do a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. So we'll continue doing that till we reach the end of the row. What we also have to do is we need to make sure we do 3 rounds of each of the color, and then we basically change the color the same way I said. So I'll skip this and do a single crochet and a double crochet. So you'll keep doing that, and then again the next 2 rows will do this cream color. So remember, 3 rows of each color, and then it will look like this. So I'll do a few more rows and come and show you. So I've completed few of the rows and so the extra yarn in as well. So this is how the swatch will look like. If you see, this is how here's the back of the. So for your blanket, what you need to do is basically obviously increase the chains in the multiples of 2 plus 1, and then you do each of this row with different colors. So I've done around 3 rows in each colors, and this is how I've got. So let me know guys if you like the tutorial. If you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you so much for watching.